Hello friends, my name is Tippy and I'm a smart pencil. I don't need a hand to command me. With a lot of practice, I have mastered drawing anything by myself. वैसे मैं आपकी दोस्त ही तो हूँ. कोई भी सवाल हो या doubt, just ask me and I will surely try to answer all of them. And with me, I have brought to you our brand new playlist, the Superlatives, in which we will be learning about some of the magnificent facts, events and phenomena all around the world. So are you excited for this whole new journey? मैं तो काफी excited हूँ. So without any further delay, let me introduce you to today's topic. The Animal Kingdom. वैसे ये सुनने में तो दो ही वर्ड से बने हैं, but it's a vast and diverse world by itself. According to scientists, by now we have found 8.7 million species of animals throughout the world, and there are many others yet to be discovered. But out of those 8.7 million species, some stand out with their unique features that differentiates them from the others. And depending on one of such unique features of them, I have brought to you the world's largest animals in this episode. Let us take you straight to the forests of Africa, where the world's largest living land animal lives. It's none other than the most adorable African elephants. African elephants, Asian elephants से size में थोड़े बड़े होते हैं, and they can easily be differentiated by the structures of their ears. African elephant के ears बड़े और देखने में कुछ African continent के मैप जैसे होते हैं, जबकि Asian elephants के ears छोटे और rounded होते हैं. साइज में बड़े होने के साथ साथ ये जिम्मेदारियां भी बड़ी ही उठाते हैं. समर्स और ड्राई सीजन्स में अफ्रीकन एलिफेंट्स अपने टस्क्स के सहारे ड्राई रिवर बेड्स में होल्स बनाते हैं और इन वाटर होल्स के जरिए पानी सतह के ऊपर आ जाता है और ऐसे ये अपने और दूसरे जानवरों के लिए पानी का इंतजाम करते हैं. इवन डंग ऑफ अफ्रीकन एलिमेंट्स आर फुल ऑफ सीड्स. बस इतना ही नहीं, एज अफ्रीकन एलिफेंट्स गो फीस्टिंग ऑन ट्रीज एंड श्रब्स, दे पेव द पाथ फॉर स्मॉलर एनिमल्स टू मूव थ्रू. और इन्हीं सब कारनामों की वजह से इन्हें इकोसिस्टम इंजीनियर्स भी कहा जाता है, as they help in building a complete ecosystem. And did you know that African elephants have the largest brains amongst any land mammal? Yes, this actually backs their abilities and the talents they possess. और तो और इनके ट्रंक्स इतने सोफिस्टिकेटेड होते हैं कि ये पेड़ तोड़ने से लेकर फूल भी प्रिसाइजली तोड़ने के काबिल होते हैं. Next we have the saltwater crocodiles. हालांकि इनका नाम सॉल्ट वाटर क्रोकोडाइल्स है, पर ये हर प्रकार के वाटर हैबिटेट में मिलते हैं. एक नॉर्मल क्रोकोडाइल का साइज 4.9 फीट से लेकर 6.2 फीट तक होता है, जबकि एक सॉल्ट वाटर क्रोकोडाइल की लेंथ 23 फीट तक हो सकती है. एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड दे कैन वे अ whopping 1000 kilograms. Like every other crocodile species, saltwater crocodiles do not rely on one kind of food. Rather, they hunt whatever comes on their way. They feed on crabs, fish, birds, turtles, pigs, buffalo and even on humans. वैसे अगर आपको सॉल्ट वाटर क्रोकोडाइल्स देखना हो तो आपको ज्यादा दूर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि ये आपको ओडिशा के भीतरकनिका वाइल्ड लाइफ सैंक्चुरी में ही दिखने को मिल जाएंगे. वैसे हाथी और क्रोकोडाइल्स तो बड़े होते ही हैं, but what if I say there might be a species of beetles who are supposed to be tiny, might be 1000 times bigger than the normal ones. Don't worry, let me explain. हमारे देश में जो बीटल्स पाए जाते हैं वो साइज में काफी छोटे होते हैं, while the ones found in the tropical forest of Africa, Goliath beetles are huge and are the largest species of insects found in the entire world. Goliath beetles can be 4.5 inches long and can weigh up to 100 grams. अब आप सोचेंगे कि 100 grams तो कुछ भी नहीं है, but for an insect, it's almost equivalent to 100 kg. As the average weight of most of the insects lie between 1 to 1.5 milligrams. Goliath beetles mainly sugary fruits और tree saps पे अपने खाने के लिए रिलाई करते हैं और उनके exoskeleton पे बने colorful stripe patterns इन्हें normal beetles से और भी unique बनाते हैं. By the way, did you know that Goliath beetles got their name from the Bible? Yes, the word Goliath is derived from the Bible, which means a giant. The next animal on our list is the world's largest living bird. Yes, it's an ostrich. With a length of 7 to 9 feet and weight of 155 kgs, they beat all the other birds in terms of size. They are commonly found in open arid regions of Africa to semi-arid regions of savanna. So basically, they are found in the forest zones lying on both the sides of the equator. What's fascinating about the ostriches is that despite such huge size and weight, an ostrich can sprint at a speed of 70 km per hour for 5 miles straight. Probably the best sprinter amongst all the birds. Apart from that, ostriches have massive wings which can expand up to 2 meters. But did you know ostriches can't fly? And that's why they are also called flightless birds. ये अपने विंग्स का इस्तेमाल दौड़ने के वक्त डायरेक्शन चेंज करने के लिए और अपने बच्चों को छांव देने के लिए करते हैं. Ostrich also showcases the largest eye of any land animal, measuring almost 5 centimeters across, allowing them to see predators like lions from long distances. Last but not the least comes the world's largest animal in each and every term. Any guesses? Yes, it's the Antarctic blue whale. Let me try and explain to you the size of a blue whale. अभी हमने बात की elephants की. Now you know how gigantic these elephants are, right? Now imagine the tongue of a blue whale can weigh as much as an adult elephant. And its heart up to the weight of a car. That's how huge the Antarctic blue whale is. एक adult blue whale का average weight तकरीबन 1,80,000 kilograms होता है, जो कि इनके 30 meters लंबे बॉडी में फैला हुआ होता है. A baby blue whale, also called a calf, can weigh up to 27,000 kgs and can be 8 meters long during its birth. Despite being so massive, a blue whale feeds on the tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. अब आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि क्या इनसे कितने बड़े एनिमल का पेट भर जाता होगा? Well, they eat enough of them, around 36,000 kgs of krill a day. Along with that, they can even drink up to 5,000 kiloliters of water every single day, but they ingest it involuntarily, thanks to their efficient filtration process of salt water, which enables blue whales to survive in the oceans. बस इतना ही नहीं, blue whales are also supposed to be one of the most graceful swimmers, who can reach a swimming speed of 30 kilometers per hour. तो ये थे कुछ fun facts about the world's largest animals. I hope आपको ये episode जरूर पसंद आया होगा. And if you know any other animal that can hit our list of the largest animals in the world, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all in today's episode. See you in the next one with some more exciting stuff. Till then, keep playing Mind Voice only on the ZEE5 app. Want to be the first to know of the videos on the Mind Voice YouTube channel? Hit subscribe and click the bell icon. And remember, knowledge increases when you share it. So like, share and tell your friends about the video.